Hi, this is Rudy Manarino from One Sound, and we're showing you today how to install the tilt bracket for the Sona 35. Right now it's in a horizontal deployment. For a vertical deployment, you could also get the tilt angle. Another third option is that you could get just the horizontal tilt by switching the bracket around. So let's get into it. It's two pieces, but it comes to you in one piece. You could use metric Allen keys to take off the center set screw on the top and the center set screw on the bottom. The mounting plate will separate from the bracket itself, and the mounting plate will go straight onto the wall. Now we have the mounting plate separated from the bracket, and then the bracket is where you could set your angle. We have rigid points where we could set the angle. This bracket then goes on to the speaker. I'm going to show you right now how it sits on the mounting plate. So just imagine that the speaker is on this side. It sits right on top of the mounting plate. It's a one-person installation. It's easy to do because you could let go of the speaker after you set it on the mounting plate. After this, the two set screws that you took out of the center top and the center bottom, they'll go back in. So now the bracket's installed onto the speaker. We have it installed where we could get a down tilt in the horizontal configuration. There's also another option where you could take the bracket, you could attach it to the bottom part of the speaker and use it for a vertical deployment for a down tilt. There's another option where you could flip this bracket if you only needed a horizontal tilt. So let's mount it. The last thing we have to do is put the set screws back into the mounting plate. So we put the screws back into the center top and the center bottom. All right, one sound not so secret tip is that the icons are removable. So if you wanted to originally put it horizontally but then switched it to vertical, you could take the icon off and put it to the bottom of the speaker. So just make sure you do the finishing touch.